In today's video, I'm going to show you Vocal Image Speech Training App Review. Is it legit or scam? Vocal Image markets itself as an app that helps people improve their speaking or singing voice with the help of AI. It offers voice exercises, breathing techniques, feedback on your speaking clarity and volume, and tools for confidence building. On the positive side, many users report that it can help with clarity and voice awareness. If you're consistent, they say, you might see improvements in how you pronounce things, how you project your voice, or how confident you sound. However, there are many complaints that raise red flags. A frequent issue is subscription divided by billing problems. People say that even after canceling the trial or membership, charges continued. Some users claim they were charged without consent or that cancellation options were hidden or didn't work. Others mention technical problems, bugs, app freezing, voice analysis, features that don't respond reliably, or premium features being inaccessible even after payment. Several reviews describe frustration with customer support being unresponsive or ineffective. When it comes to trust and legitimacy, the picture is mixed. Tools like this Scam Advisor score the site with a moderate trust level, indicating it appears reasonably safe but with caution advised. The app is definitely published and has many reviews, both positive and negative, on official platforms Apple App Store, Google Play. So, I don't think Vocal Image is a straight up scam. It seems to deliver something of value if you're using the free content or trial, and if you're realistic about what AI coaching apps can do. But there are enough reports about unfair billing, difficulty canceling, and overpromising voice transformation that I would be very cautious. Just monitor your charges carefully and make sure you know how to cancel before being billed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.